Today is May 29th, 2025, and we are cleaning and detailing this Suburban here. So my instructor got me cleaning these mats to the car. So I'm gonna prop it right here, prop the camera so I can see. All right, so I cleaned the second one and I cleaned the first one, the long one. So I got to clean the third one. Now, before I clean the third mat, I'm gonna give y'all a walk around this Suburban in the interior. I want to show y'all the information. So, sorry about that, guys. That was my friend. All right, so here's the interior. Y'all zoom in on it. Black leather interior. Third row. The driver. Gauge cluster. Chevrolet logo. All right, so now I gotta clean the third mat and dry them off. All right, so now I gotta do the fourth mat. All right, so now I gotta dry the mats off. Let me pause the video. All right, so I got this cleaned and the second one that's right there by the long one. So I'm gonna clean these two. So I'll be right back. And also we're cleaning and detailing this Porsche macar. However you pronounce it, macar, whatever it is. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around in the interior of it.
Oh, come on. This big ass vacuum right here. Oh. Ain't no hose to that yellow cord. Ain't no fucking hose. Hey, hold on. Turn it back on.
Alright, I'm gonna give y'all take a look at the interior. Moon roof or panoramic roof. Very clean. Alright, so my partner is vacuuming out the Suburban. So I'm gonna give y'all the rest of the tour of the car. Aftermarket rims. My partner's cleaning it. Wood grain. Wood grain on the dashboard. Alright, that's going to be pretty much it. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.